Hi folks, this is Mary with Guaranty RV. I would like to walk through a 2020 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 231 FEDSLE. This unit will sleep 6 people. The gross vehicle weight is 10,500 pounds. It's a really sharp looking unit. There's a walkable roof there, so the ladder in the back. It has 2 slides, so it does give you a lot of space there. It's just got a great floor plan. It's very open and there's lots of lighting. As you can see up in the front, there's a TV that's recessed that can actually maneuver its way down or up, whichever you would like. If you want more light, you can put the TV down. The kitchen has a bar, which will give you a lot more seating area and just a lot more room to prep when you're cooking in the kitchen. And then seating is really good in this. You've got recliners, you've got a couch, you've got a dinette. It's really great. So then if you go into the bedroom, you will see there is a great closet in this unit. So you've got tons of storage to be able to put all your clothing, really comfortable bed, and then you've got a dresser as well. And you do also have an exit in this bedroom. So if you have any questions, please give me a call on this unit. It's got a great outside kitchen. You just really enjoy this unit on an adventure. Please give me a call. My name is Mary. My phone number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.